There's Jimmy's new toy. There's Jimmy.
Yep.
This boat is definitely it. Boat's got it all, man.
Good sound system. The convenience of this boat, right?
Beauty.
So then there's a bar that goes between the two motors for steering, you know, and it's got hydraulic steering, so it's, you can see where the rod holder is. Okay.
Holy snapping! Jesus. Wow. No shortage of the bow mounted Minn Kota here.
Aluminum prop on that, but it's a high thrust.
There's a friggin' prop, holy crap.
Yeah.
Stainless steel.
Mm-hmm.
Dude. Yeah, that's, I don't know, Jimmy, I think you need more power. Here's the downrigger thing. Yeah, Jimmy's all set up here. 24 grand you paid for this?
Yeah.
This is like a $50,000. $60,000.
I think 64.
$60,000 20-foot.
And that's US. 60.
Oh, jeez, that's even worse. Yeah, that is one beautiful boat.